Alright, so you remember what my Explorer was looking like before in the project that I was working on. This is my Explorer project that I bought from the salvage auction. Lots of damage on the passenger side. So I got it fixed finally. It's within my budget, and check it out. Oh yeah. Nice, huh? So it's basically a brand new fender that I had put on there, and they painted that. Kind of did a little bit of touch-up work on the front bumper, so the bumper itself is not replaced. The door I got off of eBay. So I think it was around $1,000 that I paid for it. It was already the factory color of my vehicle, so it's like a perfect match. All I had to do is transfer my lock and the mirror over. So all I did was just replace this little section, and it's like a little outer kind of thing. It's like multi-layers, 2 or 3 layers. Actually, I think it's at least 3 layers that make this whole framing network. And so I think they probably cut it somewhere along here or wherever, and then somewhere along here, because I think the damage came all the way forward, so somewhere along here, and replace just that shell portion. So this looks really good. It's clean, no pulling and Bondo. Only possible Bondo needed, if I were to guess, would be about right here is where they blended it. But that's, at this point, my imagination. I'm not 100% sure where they did it. I do see a little bump right here. That's just scuff marks from my shoes, no big deal. So somewhere is where it was done. Very satisfied with it. And then a little bit of spray matching. Since the door is already matched, they took off the dent and the back one and just had to do a little touch up there. But overall, looks awesome, right? And I did end up having to replace that steering column, by the way, finalize on there, because that rack and pinion, I should say, was toast. That's all it was to it. So I got the one from AutoZone that I showed you a picture of in the last video, and I had that installed program, and I haven't had a problem since. So it's been a few months since that situation has been cleared, and it's been driving perfect. So my next project is going to be to change out these tires. You know, the tires on these Explorers are pretty basic, and I'm a fan of Jeep. I know, don't kill me, right? Don't hate. I'm a fan of the Jeep, and therefore I like off-road looking tires. So I got these KO2s, just a tiny bit larger than my factory wheels. Now this is an extra wheel that I got off of eBay for like 50 bucks shipped. It's a pretty nice, you know, rim. It's got a little curve rash right there, but the whole purpose of that is so that I can do some fittings and stuff like that. But I've got this nice aggressive sidewall look that I want to go for, and I will more than likely do some dipping on that too. So look at that. Oh, beautiful tread, right? So that's the next project that I'll be doing on my 2011 Explorer project. If you like to keep up with what I'm doing, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you next video.